Hi Aries, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Aries, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, Aries. We are picking few cards. So these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship and this is for your career situation, guys. So let's start with the general reading, guys, Aries. We have Two of Wands in reverse, Ace of Wands in reverse, and Four of Pentacles. So, with these cards in your situation, guys, Aries, you are making great efforts, maybe in your career or in your personal life, but some kind of success or maybe the path to success, you are seeing that with great difficulty or great efforts. You are putting in a lot of efforts, but what you're getting in return, it may not be up to expectation for some of you. It may cause worry or fear in your situation. So things are getting delayed or some kind of obstacles or something's not working the right way for you in your situation, guys. So maybe for some of you, your situation is turning around. Some kind of surprises are there for you today, guys. Maybe it may be because there is someone going to help you out, maybe gift you or help you, or there is some kind of an inheritance coming towards you that is going to solve your problems, or it may be a gift from your parent or a sibling, someone in your family, someone older than you. So they are going to support you in an unexpected way. So that may take things to a different level, guys. So this person is going to help you. That may change your situation a bit. So that is what I see with these cards, guys. And I also see that you are maybe holding on to some idea or some path, or it may be a person, something rigidly. You are not willing to give up that idea. You are standing by that idea. You are working for that. Maybe you are facing lots of troubles because of that, because of your rigidity, but you are not willing to give up that possessiveness you have on that object or a person or your idea, it may be, guys, Aries. So that may again be the reason for troubles in your situation, guys, Aries. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. We have the Fool. So in your relationship, it looks like you are rushing towards something. It may be some immature choices that you are making, or immature decisions without deep thought. So maybe you are rushing towards the next step of commitment with this person, or you want to move towards that responsibility, maybe without deep thought. So you don't have any idea what this person is thinking, what they are thinking in their mind. So without that idea, you are rushing towards this connection. Maybe you want to deepen this relationship, guys. So that is what I see with this card. So some unexpected things may happen in your love situation, guys. Let's see what is the card for your career. We have Seven of Pentacles in reverse. So with this card in your situation, guys, there may be some troubles again we see here. Maybe some competition from the people you work with in your work situation. So maybe for some of you, you may see an improvement in your work or in your business. But for some of you, things are a bit difficult in your career situation, Aries. So that is what I see with these cards, Aries, for your daily energies. I also have a pick a card reading coming up right now, guys, and it is going to be like a fairy tale oracle. So it is going to be your fairy tale story. So stay tuned for that, guys. That is coming up right now, Aries. For your love reading, guys, today's reading is going to be different. It's going to be like a fairy story. So whatever your situation is, you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the crystal that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start with this card for the first reading after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start with the first card. So let's see what is your fairy story. It's brother and sister, transformation. So with this card, guys, for those who have chosen this card, it just means that whatever knowledge or wisdom that we have in our situation, and whatever likes or dislikes or instincts that we have, so all that must work in harmony if we want a peaceful life. And in our situations, maybe some things are pointing us towards something in our life. It may be in our relationship or it may be in our day-to-day life. There are some warning signs you are seeing. You need to be really careful, guys. If you are maybe if you have people telling you something, suggesting you something, or you yourself are having some instincts about something or intuition about something, you need to listen to it. If you do not do that, there will be some consequences and you will have to live with those consequences, guys. So today you should not fear the people who are envious of you, jealous of you. You need to move forward in life, have that positive outlook. Listen to people who are suggesting you something. So there is someone suggesting you, it may be your sibling, sister or a brother, telling you something. You need to listen to it. So that way you will be able to overcome any difficulties in your situation, guys. And this story, the story with this card, is about the balance that we need to maintain, guys, in our life. So we should not go for that instant gratification. So things are tempting us all along in life. There are so many circumstances tempting us, but we should have that strong will in our heart. We should always lean towards good life, guys. So in order to lead a good life, we should not take up something, we should not go for that instant gratification in our situation. So that is what will work against us. So we need to think through what needs to be done today, and our actions should not affect the people who are with us. So we should think about that also in our situation, guys. So for that harmony and balance, to find that harmony and balance in our situation, we should take life in a simpler way, learn to live life simply by leaning towards the good things, maybe good behavior, good habits, good words, and we should care for people, maybe younger people in our life, maybe our younger siblings, brother or sister. And this card has a strong, what to say, that bonding between brothers and sisters. So maybe in your situation, guys, you have your brother or sister helping you, suggesting you something. You need to listen to it, guys. That is what I see with this card, and that is the reading with this card, guys. For those who have chosen this card, this is your story. I hope it resonates. If it does, please like and comment, guys. So now let's start with the second card. So we will keep this aside. So this is your second card. We have the white snake. Understanding. So that is the card. Such a beautiful card here. So this card just means that all our sacrifices will be rewarded for sure, and good work or good behavior or goodness in us is always rewarded, and our courage is always rewarded. So no need to put up excuses when we are confronted with truth, guys. So we cannot make any excuses to escape from some truth in our situation. So something has come up in your life, maybe some experience. People may seem distant, unemotional, or lacking in warmth towards you. But if you continue to do the right things, be good and be in your goodness, or not changed by the way people are treating you or by the way your circumstances are going. If you continue to be yourself, to be that good person, there will be a breakthrough moment, guys. So there is also a time, a turning point happening in your relationship. So this person will come to understand what you have done for them, what you have done for this love, and what you are worth. So you will be able to change people's life, help them to heal, and help them to heal in this situation, guys. Maybe they are hurt, they have some negative past, or some past memories are hurting them, or maybe for some of you it may be your present situation. They are hurt by how things are going today, but you need to understand that you have the power to heal with your goodness, guys. And by showing that true love and true goodness you have in your heart, you are going to heal your situation and heal this person you love, guys. So that is the story with this card, guys. For those who have chosen this card, that is the reading, guys. I hope this reading resonates. If it does, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.